I know I haven't been making videos for a while. Look at this mess.
See these beans? They're awesome, but they're everywhere. I need to come up with a solution to organize them. I've decided that I need to build a simple rack out of wood to stack them all together. This should help to solve the problem. To build the rack, I'm using 11 by 3/4 inch pine board that I got from my local lumberyard. They didn't do a good job trimming off my boards, so I had to fix it myself. I'm ripping another board on my table saw to make a bunch of support planks. The whole structure is pretty simple, and you can easily make one for yourself with minimal tools and effort. I can put it on my bench, under the bench, I can hang it on my wall, and it will definitely travel with me to my next workshop. And the best thing of all, now I got some extra space to store all of my new tools I got from the Banggood.com. They were kind enough to send me this set. Look at this beauty! Precisely machined out of aluminum and anodized red. Check the links in the description if you want to pick up your own. And here's the surprise I promised you. I'm going to give away one of those tools to you. Just leave a comment under this video. Tell me, who is your favorite creator on YouTube, except me of course, and why? And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to see me pick a random winner in my next video.